According to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, an estimated 5.8 million Americans aged 65 and older live with Alzheimer's disease, and that number is projected to nearly triple by 2160. Given the lack of medication to treat this disease, preventing Alzheimer's disease with a healthy diet is an important consideration. Research suggests that a diet high in flavonoids can decrease the risk of Alzheimer's dementia. Flavonoids are plant chemicals found mostly in fruits and vegetables that fight free radicals and oxidative stress, as well as potentially playing a positive role in brain health. Researchers looked at the dietary habits of almost 3,000 people, average age 59, without any signs of dementia. Over 20 years, people with the highest daily intake of flavonoids had a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's than those who ate the smallest amounts. These flavonoids help reduce the amyloid plaques that are seen in Alzheimer's disease. Other research also shows that they may improve blood flow in the brain. A variety of fruits and vegetables contain flavonoids. Some of the highest amounts are in berries, apples, citrus fruit like oranges and lemons, grapes, spinach, legumes, kale, broccoli, soybeans, onion, and even tea, cocoa, and wine. These studies are still preliminary, but do look promising. For now, though, follow a plant-based diet as much as possible and eat a variety of colors. The more colors and types of foods you can put on your plate for every meal, the better. Aim for 2 cups of fruit and 3 cups of vegetables daily. If you desire additional tips for healthy eating and weight loss, please visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com.